Hello friends, how are you? My name is Ankit as your teacher in Aanav Creations. So today we are going to start measuring success in social media. Let's get started. Welcome back friend. As you all know, our topic is measuring success in social media. Don't forget to see this video complete so that you can get all the details actually. So, tracking the impact of social media campaign is really important, but it can get complicated. That's when analytics and tools can help. In this video, we will cover how analytics and different tools can help you track the impact of your social media efforts and understand your customers a bit better. Now, let's hear from Raka Chakravarti at Gourmet Delight about how this benefited her business. She said, "We use social media and analytics. Facebook provides us with one of the tools that we use in other way. We know exactly how many people are clicking, how many viewers we have got. We have installed the Facebook tags on the site as we have done with the Google tags, so we get to know which pages are being visited by customers who drop in directly from Facebook. We have installed the pixel codes as well. When we want customers to know about a product, not necessarily but it, we use those pixels regarding this. Some are an add to cart pixels and some are not. Let's assume our Indian clothing business has established accounts on a few social networks like Facebook, Twitter, and maybe some smaller fashion related social networks. First, it's important to take a look at the social network themselves. When you log in, many people provide data about what's happening in those networks. For example, you might be able to get reports about how many people you are connected with and how that's been trending over the time with you. Which of your posts are getting shared or interacted with the most, or even who our biggest fans might be. By looking at the data and reports available in many social networks, you can learn a lot about who your connections are, how they behave and how they consume or interact with the content you are providing. But logging into a single network and looking at the data and reports in each one separately can be time consuming and tricky for you. Remember those tools that can help you schedule your post and consolidate all your logins into just one place. Well, many of these tools can also track and provide data that can compare the different networks against each other and give you all that reporting in one place. Tools like these are really helpful and you can investigate them by searching for social media management tools. There are also another kind of tool that might help you. Social media monitoring. There are lots of them out there and a wide range of features and pricing, but basically these tools will score all the social media networks out there, looking for mentions of you, your competitors, or even certain themes being talked about. These can help you identify new social networks you might want to participate in and let you join conversation about your business or your industry. But these reports and tools typically only measure what's happening on the social networks themselves. Do you want to know what's happening after someone decides to click on a link you shared or a piece of content you posted and ends up on your website? For this, you will need to separate tools dedicated to tracking what's happening on websites like Google Analytics. Web analytics tools like generally pick up the trail as soon as someone hits your website, and many of them will automatically track when visitors are coming from social media stores as well. That means that if you are tracking what people are doing on your business website, you can see how many visitors from Facebook or Twitter are not just arriving on your website but also submitting your contact form, buying items from your online store, or downloading your monthly PDF newsletters. Now, you will really be able to see how your social media efforts are paying off. Lots of web analytics tools also let you track not just what network visitors are coming from, but even the specific posts or pieces of content that got them to visit your website as well. Each web analytics tool does this differently, but this end result is pretty cool. You will be able to look at different reports and see things like which kind of content from which networks tend to get people to visit your website, engage further with your pages, and eventually convert on your business goals. So that covers how to measure the success of your social media efforts using the data and tools available from social network themselves with you. Using social media management and monitoring tools and using web analytics to see what social visitors are doing on your website will help you understand exactly how and when, where your efforts are paying off. That way, you can keep improving your social media strategies as well. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much. Have a good day.